As a founder, your personal brand is your power, but building it shouldn't feel like a second job. I'm Dr. Wajid Khan, and with my system at wajidkhan.info, you don't need a full-time team. You just need my streamlined approach to make your brand stand out, letting you focus on leading your vision. My system handles it all: lead generation, funnels, email campaigns, ads, and your personal brand identity. Every piece is crafted for you, so you can skip the chaos and amplify your story with confidence. Here's how it works. My automated processes capture leads, qualify them, and route them to you instantly, using data scoring to prioritize high-value opportunities like partnerships or speaking engagements. No wasted effort, just results. Every lead is qualified, tagged, and delivered fast. My funnels use smart data to ensure you're connecting with the right people, clients, collaborators, or audiences, ready to engage with your brand. I build professional campaigns, launch them expertly, and optimize them for continuous growth. Your personal brand stays sharp, authentic, and impactful, scaling as your influence grows. Your email list is gold. I grow it, clean it, and craft messages that resonate, keeping your audience engaged without spam or dead weight. It's your voice, amplified. Paid ads? I manage them fully, tailored to your goals. My AI-driven campaigns improve with every click, backed by real-time analytics and simple insights you can act on. No technical headaches here. I host your domain, free, secure, and fast, eliminating technical debt. Your online presence is seamless, letting your brand shine. Your brand is everywhere, instantly consistent. I manage your assets, voice, and design, protecting your identity, so it's always authentic and unforgettable. It's all one system: lead gen, funnels, emails, ads, hosting, and branding, working to elevate your personal brand. Everything you need to stand out as a founder, delivered with precision. Ready to amplify your story? Visit wajidkhan.info and start your free trial today. With Dr. Wajid Khan's system, your personal brand becomes your superpower. Let's make your vision unforgettable.